guys, welcome to my channel. Before we go on, please don't forget to hit the bell button down. Where body odor comes from. First, let's address what causes of DO. DO means body odor. There are sweat glands all over the body. Apocrine glands are concentrated in your armpits, scalp, and between the abdomen and the thigh on either side of the pubic bone. When the sweat from the apocrine glands reacts with the bacteria on your skin, it causes body odor. Most body odor can be managed with the proper hygiene. And guys, there are natural deodorant remedy for body odor. Shower every day with antibacterial soap. Bathing with antibacterial soap agent, or use lemon rub all over your body. Drying off thoroughly reduces the bacteria count on your skin, reduces the chances of odor. After bathing, applying natural bacteria fighters to odor-prone parts. Deodorant will not prevent sweating. They help prevent smell of the bacteria. Try to use aluminum-free deodorant or alum. Filipino call it tawas. Most Filipino use tawas as deodorant. Or make your own to avoid chemicals and substances that inhibit your body's natural detoxification. Is to avoid food that increase body odor. The food that you eat affect your level of body odor because they're broken down in compound that circulate your bloodstream, slowly making their way to your pores where they come out through sweating. Food like onion, garlic, strong spices, refined sugar, dairy, and fried foods. If you can't avoid eating all these things, just minimize the food that cause body odor. Next is to clean your clothes thoroughly. Sweaty clothes are most likely to smell, so make sure to wash your clothes thoroughly using laundry soap and fabric conditioner on your clothes to feel soft and smell great. Change your dress, socks, and undergarments every day to look and smell fresh. Can you consider this? Stress is making you smell. When you feel stress, your body temperature rises, prompting your sweat glands to kick in. Stress often makes us sweat. Try to do some workout or exercise. It will raise endorphin level, which can help you handle daily stress and decrease the smell or sweat. And don't you know that exercise produces a happy hormones? Why don't you try to do some exercise every day to avoid stress? Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to leave your message below.